We're standing in a new facility that we are moving all of our production, warehouse and distribution.
We have just recently completed the installation of large Durascreen curtain walling and then steel partition rooms within their factory.
The building is just an empty shell, and then we've had to design the internals to suit the business needs. And then we gave those dimensions to DBC and looked at the materials available through their portfolio. Our parent company is a French company and they're looking to expand us in the future. So we needed something for our immediate needs with the option to move and change around.
It's a permanent solution that can be reconfigured and moved, adjusted without leaving any lasting impression on the building.
The Durascreen we used to give us more light and to actually give us the impression of a dust-free room environment. The metal single-skinned walls were for the flammable area, maintenance and the laboratory. The aesthetics, it makes it clean, it's all clean lines and it splits out our production facilities in their defined areas.
The benefit of what we've done here is the speed of install. From start to finish, being 3 weeks installation for everything is unmatched in any other walling system.
The installation went perfect, absolutely. We're on time and to budget, basically. DBC were very easy to work with, very adaptable, and their design team was excellent. I'd recommend DBC for their professional approach to the project and helped us through every step. And we started this months ago. This was probably 8 months ago we started talking to DBC, and then it came to fruition on the dates we required, started and finished.